Dr. Rika Preiser from the Center for Complex Systems in Transition presented on what the conceptual meaning of resilience is and how that relates to social ecological systems and viewing these systems as complex adaptive systems. She laid out the different principles which she has developed in terms of what it means in terms of focusing on the relationship, what it means to have an open system, and how that relates to resilience thinking, and using systems thinking as a way of unpacking this in the current world we live in.
How can we learn from each other? And how can we start learning about resilience from our place in the world and from where we come from in the world, and how that embeddedness in that space has shaped us, and how we can in return shape each other based from that experience. Yeah, and this is a frontier of science, okay? So engaging with systems thinking is looking at undermining traditional ways of thinking. Why can't we do that in Africa? I don't see any reason why we can't do that in Africa. We can be a kind of a frontier. This is one place in where we can actually contribute to frontier science and lead the way, and leave those guys behind that are actually much more stuck in their very smart, fancy departments, that cannot change. But we can actually, because we're less structured and in a sense, and we have these, the context in which we can actually justify it much better. So yes, everything that you said is true, but this is really the place where we can make a huge contribution in the scientific field and start leading the way, and breaking down the inequalities in terms of the knowledge structures that also tell us what is good science and what is not good science.